Here it comes. The newest version of America's most popular car. The classically stunning Olds Cutlass Supreme. Makes you think the Cutlass mystique was created entirely on style alone.
MIKEGTV. I was on my way to the post office. Look what I see. This thing's nice. I always wanted one of these. I just don't like the interior. They got the center console, the center shift. Thing's nice. Alright, as for the bumper lights, I'm going to try to figure out the wiring to that right now. So what I'm going to do is put the key in the ignition. So I got the blinker on right now. You can see it. I'm going to take it out. And what I'm going to do is use this. I'm going to ground it somewhere on the, I'm going to ground it to the bumper bolt. And then I'm going to see which one is for the blinker. I grounded this. I put the clip on the bumper bolts for ground. And what I'm gonna do, this is the bumper light so what I'm gonna do is just poke. It's not the black one, so it gotta be the brown one or the blue one that blinks. So what I'm gonna do, it's not the brown one because it's not lighting up, because this light would come on right here. So it's not, the brown one must be constant, so that's the one that I'm gonna use because I don't want the LEDs to blink. So let me try the blue one and see if it, alright, it's not the blue one, so it must be the brown one. Maybe I didn't stick it in farther enough. I don't know, but I'm not getting this thing to light up. So let me even test if this thing even works. Unless I'm getting a bad ground somewhere. So where can I go for ground? I'm gonna hook it up to the battery and see if it lights up. It should. Alright, one side to ground. Yeah, it's lighting up red. I don't know if you guys, no, you can't see that, but it's lighting up red, so this works. So what I'm gonna do is find a different ground. So let me try it now. I know the ground's good. So not the blue, so now it's lighting up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's lighting up red right there. So the blue one is blinker. So the one I want to use is the brown one. If I wanted the LEDs to blink I would use the blue one. But I want them to stay on constantly, so I'm going to use the brown wire. There's a blue wire, a brown wire, and a black wire. Black wire is usually the ground. So I'm going to turn the light. I'm going to turn the blinker off and turn the lights on. And the brown wire should. You see how it's constantly on? So the brown wire should light up on brown. And it is, it's lit up. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a red light right in there. So the brown wire is the one I want to use. All right, now I'm gonna take the bulb off. I wasn't even thinking about this earlier. I put everything away. The bulb has two things on it, just like this. These are the plugs I was talking about. So I'm gonna put this in here. Turn it. And now I gotta check the power on it. So you can see I just turned on the blinker again. I'm gonna put this to the ground again. The ground wire I had it on earlier. Test it to some power, make sure it works. It's working. So the blue, let me see if that flashes. All right, no flashing on the blue, so it's not the blue wire. Let's try the red. I got flashing on the red. You see it? I don't know if you can see it or not, but flashing on the red. So the red I'm not using. So I'm gonna use, the one I wanna use is the blue wire and the black wire for the LEDs. So it's the blue and the black wire. I'm not using the red. So now that I figured that out, I can wire the LEDs up. Alright, I just finished that up. I didn't use the red, I used the black and the blue. The black on this side goes to the black on that side. The blue on this side goes to the red on that side. I taped it all up. It's the same way, but I taped them all up. Blue to red, black to black. So all I gotta do now is put them in the car and plug them in and see what happens. Alright, let's install them. Alright, all installed. Now I'm going to take the bulb out and plug them in. I'm only going to do one side on the video. It's going to be the same exact thing on the other side. But let me turn them on and see how they look and see if my dash light comes on when I turn them on. So let me turn them on. This thing's still a little loose. See if they work. They're on. I don't know if you can see it. Well, this one. That's the way it's supposed to be. The way they're supposed to be. I don't see the dash light on, so that's good, but I'm gonna do the other one right now and check it and see what's going on. It's finally nighttime. Let's see how these bumper lights look. It's dark out here, almost 4th of July tomorrow, and these lights are too damn purple. It's not gonna work, but I'll figure that out tomorrow. They are too purple.